Not vibing with the default background theme music in Mobile Legends? No worries at all. Today I'm here to guide you through the process of changing the background theme music in Mobile Legends on your iPhone. Let's get started. First things first, open up Mobile Legends on your device. Then head over to the settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen. After that, navigate to the Sound tab. Now it's time to tap on the Customize button next to the Theme Song section. And just like that, a menu will appear right before your eyes. Here, you'll find a variety of tracks to choose from. You can give each track a listen by tapping the play button next to its name. If you fancy adding one of these songs to your playlist, simply tap the plus button beside your chosen track and it will be added in a jiffy. But hey, if you decide you don't want the song on your playlist anymore, just hit the remove button. And don't forget, you can also rearrange your playlist to your heart's content by tapping the double arrow button here. And there you have it. That's all you need to know about changing the background theme music in Mobile Legends. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give that like button a good old smash. And remember, if you have got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you pronto. Thanks a bunch for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.